Hey, I'm Jules. I work at AWS Restorations of Chantilly, Virginia, and I will help you better understand behind the scenes roles of the people involved in exterior remodeling projects and installing them, including windows, siding, roofing, and doors. In 1988, we specialized in selling and installing siding and windows, and we still do today. By the early 90s, we became familiar with storm restoration projects and began working with insurance companies on a regular basis. Homeowners insurance companies cover most storm-related damage, and not just from extreme cases like hurricanes or tornadoes. Wind, hail, and lightning damage is also covered by your insurance policy. Now, I completely understand that navigating your way through an insurance claim is daunting, to say the least. A lot of people don't know what to expect of their insurance company. Not to worry though, this is exactly what AWS Restorations specializes in, and we are more than happy to assist you through the claims process. Our office staff will help you arrange an appointment with one of our project managers, or get you in contact with one, depending on what you need from us. The office assists everyone in our company as needed with communications, customer profiles, insurance documents, emails, and more. Next, we have our project managers who will be overseeing your project from start to finish. They work on product and material presentations, assessing the structure and integrity of existing materials, taking measurements, providing estimates, and working with insurance adjusters. They also keep pace with new building codes enforced by local counties. Our project managers take on all these tasks so you don't have to, making your exterior remodeling project seamless. Next, we have AWS Restorations Estimator and Supplemental Expert. Our supplementer makes sure that our numbers and the insurance company's estimates are 100% accurate and in sync. This allows us to break down the cost of your exterior remodeling project in respect to giving you 100% transparency. By doing this, we can educate you, the homeowner, on the entire insurance claims process. Once all the numbers are where they should be, your project will be progressed to our installation supervisors. Their role at AWS Restorations is to oversee and streamline the entire installation process, from scheduling, material delivery, installation, and cleanup. We also have warehouse staff to maintain our facility, including operating machinery, cleaning, painting, maintenance, and general repairs. Our truck drivers transport our products, including loading and unloading materials. Now, if you're home and having your roof installed, typically you'll be able to see the driver using a crane to lift the shingle bundles straight up to the roof, which is a sight to see. Now we have our laborers. They help our installers prep work areas. They stage installation equipment, machinery, and products. They'll also remove previous products from the property and provide a cleanup to the job site. Our installers work in various crew sizes depending on the size of the exterior remodeling project at hand. Typically, our crews work in various sections of the project spread out to optimize time spent, all of which is coordinated through our foreman. We have installers of windows, siding, doors, roofing, window screens, gutters, and masonry. Finally, we have our foremen who manage the installations as they take place. They also address the needs of our laborers, homeowners, installers, and the project itself. Well, this sums up the people and roles involved in our exterior remodeling projects. If you're local to Northern Virginia and Maryland and you wish to work with us, then give us a call. I'm Jules, and I look forward to the next video.